Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to disable stock lending on Robinhood. If you don't have a Robinhood account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Investing. Click on Investing. On this page, scroll down a little and you will see a section for stock lending. Under stock lending, you will see an option that says View Stock Lending. Click on View Stock Lending. Now here, you will see a button that says Disable Stock Lending. Click on Disable Stock Lending. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure you want to disable stock lending. To proceed, click on Yes, Disable. That's how you disable stock lending on Robinhood. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.